Hello everyone, I am Tom, the manipulator of unmanned aerial vehicle. On the next, I would introduce the new product of our company, L.L.C Floating Unmanned Aerial Vehicle. This UAV has the following features. The 4-axis is foldable. 900 mAh battery could fly 13 minutes at most. Equipped with remote control, it is possible to control the UAV through the remote control or your mobile phone. Add the new function of one-key takeoff and landing, and equipped with one-key return flight, one-key rolling, and headless mode. Equipped with 300,000 pixels and 200,000 pixels cameras, the UAV has the function of keeping attitude, and you could use it to take clear photos and shoot videos. Novel design. The surface of the 4-axis was proposed by gray dull polish. On the next, I would introduce how to use this UAV. First, press the position limit switch, and then unfold the rear photo arm, and then unfold the rear photo arm. Secondly, pull out the foot slightly, and slightly press the footstool with your finger until button placement. Then insert the protection cover into the fixed orifice of fender bracket. Tug it and take out fender bracket. Finally, pinch the fan blade and press down in alignment with the crankshaft. Lock the screw and then cover the fan blade. Push up the left joystick to take off. Of course, you could press the up key to go up directly, forward, backward, left side flying, right side flying, rolling, suspension, headless mode, one-key return flight, as well as one-key landing. Let's appreciate the beautiful sceneries that took by L.L.C Floating Unmanned Aerial Vehicle.